Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll show you how to make a business Instagram account. Without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application and click on Edit Profile. Then scroll down and click Professional Account. Then Next Page Open. Then click Next All Opt-ins. Ni here select business type. And also click on Display on Profile. Then click on Next. The Select Business option. Then click it off. If you want to use your contact details public as a business details, then click Next, otherwise click Don't. If you want to add your Facebook page, then connect, otherwise skip option. Then here we go, your business account ready. So that's all for today. And I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.